All right, sweet peas, let's just try a few more examples of this. I really have a good feeling that you're getting the hang of this and this should go pretty easily for you. But let's do a few more just to make sure we are on the right track. So this next problem I want to work on is the problem with the blue fish with the number 3 in it, this one right here. So in this problem, first I need to know, this is a 1 and a 6. What number is that? That's the number 16. Good. Now the next thing I want to ask you is this. Is this number showing me the big part, the whole thing? Or is this number showing me one of the little parts that are going to be put together? So this is the big part, and the reason that I know that is because it's on the other side of the equal sign. Now, if it were over here beside the plus sign, that would tell me that that's one of the smaller parts, but this is the whole thing. So what we need to find in this problem are the two smaller parts. Now remember, today we're trying to show 16 as a group of 10 and a few more, whatever number we need to make it get the whole way to 16. So let's start in the top 10 frame. We'll count our first numbers and then count on until we get to 16. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have to keep going until we get to 16. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now watch where I put number 16. We have to go clear back over here. This is where this counter should go. Sometimes kids want to put it over here, but it belongs over here. So this shows 16. Now, I don't have to count this. I know how many are here. Ready? There are 10. And then down here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 10 and 6 more. And I can show that in my equation, adding in my add-ins. 16 equals 10 plus 6. Okay, there we go. I also want to challenge you that if you are really a good counter, you might not want to start at 1. You might want to fill all of these in before you start counting, and you might want to say 10 and then start counting on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's the first grade way of counting. So if you're ready for it, you want to give it a try, start by counting 10 and then counting on. The bottom problem is showing us the whole equation. So let's read it. 15 equals 10 plus 5. Which numbers are we going to look to when we're going to be creating our picture? Will we be looking here? Or will we be looking over here? Remember, we're trying to find the parts of 15. So which numbers are the little parts that are getting combined and put together? The numbers are on the plus sign. So we're going to show a group of 10 and 5 more. Let's show that. So my group of 10, I'm not even going to count them this time. I'm just going to fill in every box because I know if every box is filled in, that makes 10, and I don't even have to count them all. There they are. I'm not even counting them. And now I'm going to show you that if you only fill in this top row, then that's 5. So I don't even have to count those. I have 10 and 5 more. It makes 15 all together. Thunderbolt's getting really excited because you're so good at your math.